I will now continue onward from testing the free version of Fluent Player, which we see right here on the FluentPlayer.com website. This gives a lot of good information about what it is. Here you can see some of the presets, and what I really like about it is that I can control the experience a lot more in how I show a video on a website that I am managing. So I can remove ads, I can change the thumbnail directly on the site here, on my own site, and do a lot of modifications. I can then adjust the player, how that will be, and as other aspects as well. So I just made the video for the free version, and now I want to look at what the pro version does. I haven't really tested out much beforehand, so this is kind of like almost the initial test as well. I've tested a couple of months ago or a month ago, and now I'm just kind of seeing what I remember and how things can be done now. Because if we go to playlist, you see this is part of the pro feature, and also this analytic also part of the pro feature. I have then tested the free version, and now we'll go and test the pro version. So let's see here. I will then activate pro. And we see now it says pro up here. And here I can go to playlists, and I can basically create a playlist. Here, I believe one has to take one video at a time, and then one can take the short code into a page and show the specific video. Here, I will add a playlist. So we will figure out how that works. So what I'm going to do now, I will likely go to add videos to your playlist. So let's look at that first. I will add a couple of videos and see how that works. So, okay, so this is what it does. Here I need to make various videos, files, say that way, through Fluent Player. So basically, I need to fill this out here with other videos as well. And let's see if I can duplicate this. It looks like, and let's see here, I will just to edit here, and let's see, can I do a copy? No, it looks like I'm not able to copy this, so I'll just go ahead and can I copy some of these settings, for instance, from one video list to another. I am not sure. So basically this was the first one I have here. I just want to basically copy this whole section here. Here it says add content, so I'm not sure what that does. Set time range, how much of the video it's to show, I believe it is. Time content, which is also here on the right side, timestamp links. So I want to basically copy this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy here and see if this works. And I will add a new media. And what I will do now, I will just do, I just want to copy this in, new video. So it will be YouTube. Okay, I'm going to have to start over. It looks like I'm not able to copy it or just duplicate this in, paste that in. So here is one for how to set up to-send with Fluent SMTP, which I really like the to-send that they have. Basically, it's an email service, which I've looked at and I'm using on various sites. So I will paste that in, add the YouTube video, and this will come in place. I just want to use the same as I used on the last video preset. I have signed up for the beta. Okay, we're stopping this again, and let's do floating. That's what I had last time. I think I basically here under general settings, I turn off title. So we'll just kind of see how to set up Fluent SMTP, and we'll just kind of save this. I'll publish this. And the thing is too, now I have the Pro version. That means it gives me additional features here on the right side. So what I'll do now, I will let's view media. So it cannot be found for whatever reason. So okay, let me just kind of, it has been now published. I will go back here, and now I should have 2 in the list. I still cannot duplicate, and let's see, I'll click the view. It cannot be found. Okay, I don't know why it's like that. It works with shortcode. Let's see if this first one works for the I here. Cannot be found. Okay, so I will copy this, and what I actually do instead, I will add another video. I have a few videos here on YouTube up on the top here. I will now add a Fluent Forms video. Fluent Forms using conditional buttons. So all of these are actually Fluent products. I really like that. That's why I'm using it. I'm using Fluent Forms, Fluent SMTP, and other Fluent products as well, because I just find them really good to use. So okay, we'll just add from YouTube, paste that in, add YouTube video, and it seems like the title, yes, will be directly into the title here. So again, I'm gonna have to repeat the same procedure. Floating, I think that's it. I will hide the title from here under general settings, title overview. And let's look at some of these things here, because there's a lot more things I can do. Add layer, these are now unlocked because I'm in the Pro feature. I can add or other things as well. And let's see here, other things that were locked. Tags was locked last time for free, and things have been opened up because I'm using now the Pro version. So I will publish this, and can I see this or will it give me an error message as last time? So remember, this is now has not officially been released yet. It will be released very soon. So I will go back, and I have now 3 videos here, and now I will go to playlist, and I will add a playlist. I should be able to add those videos then that I added for the single, add media. And let's see, can I add all of these? Yes, add to playlist. So even though they're different plugins, I will now just add them to the playlist here. So it kind of shows up like this. So this is interesting. Playlist 1, I will just say Fluent plugins. Start playing automatic when loaded. Continuous play. Sure. When finished one, just go to next. And no. Show previous next buttons. Yeah. Loop playlist. No need. Show playlist menu toggle. I'm not sure what this does. Preset source first, media default, or I can choose which one to start with. Overlay mode per video. I'm not sure what that is yet. Okay, so this has to do with email. This has to do with interactive layers. It seemed like from the last one. Layout. So I can get this on the bottom. I will hide this away here. Where is it? 1 of 3 videos. Left, we see here. Right, top. I'm not seeing it up here. I'm not seeing it on the bottom, but I'm seeing it on the right. Show playlist header. Fluent plugins. Yeah, sure, why not? Show thumbnails. Ah, interesting. Okay, shows. Let's see. We'll keep this on. Grid style. Oh, so this is interesting. I will turn this off. Sidebar width. So this is I can control the width of it. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Appearance. Background color, text color, how about kind of the blue? I just do a light blue here. Fairly ugly, but I will just test that out. Border radius around, okay, so this is then around the curves here. Border color, let's add a color to it. Let's do a kind of green color, just make it really obvious. Border width, it's on, now we see the green color here. Okay, we'll just keep that. Do we have a shadow? No, it doesn't matter. Player separation, line space, none. Line, okay, we'll keep the line in there, that's fine. Custom typography. Enable font size. Okay, so this is interesting. We can change the font size here, line height. Okay, we'll just kind of keep it on that. Okay, here's the box shadow. Enable box shadow. So we have box shadow there. Color, how about we'll just do like red, violet. Okay, this is pretty ugly, but I just want to show how it works. Drop shadow outside, horizontal. Oh, okay, there's a lot of things we can do here. And okay, I think that's fine. And we have then the playlist here. I will publish this and let's see if we can look at it here, or I have to add a shortcode and to look at it. So this is then the pro version. I am able to make this playlist here, cannot find it. So we'll go one step back. And let's see here, we have the playlist here. I will add that into the video page we have here. I will edit this page. This is from the one I did with last video. So another short code, how about we just add that above it? And let's see, I want to add a space in here. Spacer, okay, we got a spacer. I'll do add that just below. I just want a separation between playlist and a single here. And let's do a save draft, because I'm not going to publish this on the my main website here. I'm just testing how this looks like. So this is then for that. This is the floating player. Here is the playlist beside it. And remember, there's a lot of aspects I can basically try out, but I decided to kind of try this out as you see here, full screen. Okay, here's the first. I'm going to show you how, and that is then the Fluent Forms, 2SAN and VP Social Media plugin. This is for the Pro, and this is then for the light version. So this is just kind of showing some of the differences here. I will then go into analytics, and which is I can enable analytics, and now I suddenly see this huge settings screen. So that kind of shows up under analytics settings. Okay, so here I didn't look at settings last time, because here we can do a preset, default preset, for which one to select as a preset. And there's a lot of things we can do preset here. We can branding as well. I assume some of these things are also added to the free version, but right now we're looking at the Pro. So here I can modify a lot of things as a default for how I do something. So that's really, really nice. Analytics, enable analytics here. Automatically clean up analytics. So analytics should probably show up here. For that, it says Google Analytics. I don't have that. I have actually my own brand of analytics here. It's called Site Stats, or actually analytics plugin I made. So I think that's it for the Pro version. It might be a little bit messy, but this shows some of the Pro features. They can set up a playlist and how you can modify that. At the end of this, it will not show any ads, and this is really nice for content creation for various companies, for instance, and other places as well. A lot of different things one can do with this. Thank you.